name.
Okay, show me.
That's circle.
Very good. What's next?
Yeah, that one.
That's right. It's okay.
Let's try this side.
Okay, go ahead.
On top.
Or on the bottom. There's room on the bottom, too. What's that one? Right. What's next?
D. Where's the more card? It's card.
And what's last?
M.
Wow, what does that spell?
A-D-A-N.
Nathan, how's your picture coming? Okay, sorry. Are you going to do some coloring?
What does it do? Mommy, right here.
Sure.
Oh, that's a little bit dark.
Adam, don't throw the crayons. Use one at a time.
Green, he's green.
Let me see. No, that's blue. Not on the table. On the paper. Put it on the paper.
The paper. Oh, it's green. I don't know.
Can you count them, Nate?
4, 5, 6, 5 feet.
1,
1, 2, 3, 5.
1, 2, 5.
5. 1, 2, 5. 1, 5.
Here, you count the crayons. Let's see.
1, 5.
You count right. You can do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Good job. How many do you have, Nate?
9, 8, 2.
Maybe you should put the crayons back in the box.
I got wool
On your head.
and Santa hat.
Is it cool?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you want to say?
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
What else do you want to say?
We got Christmas tree.
Yeah? What's your favorite part of the Christmas tree?
What?
I don't know. You tell me.
Train.
The train. Stop moving so much.
And what's next?
I don't know. Sit down. Don't get so close to the camera. Do you want to sing that song?
No.
You want to sing Jingle Bells?
No.
How about Santa Claus is coming to town?
I don't want to sing anything.
How do you do it? Jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
Sit down. Jingle all the way.
Jingle bells always.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells. Jingle bells.
Jingle bells.
Jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Good job. You say we love you?
We love you.
Who do you love? Who are we sending this video to?
Me.
Oh.
Me.
You are making the video to send to who?
Nana.
And who else?
What? Everyone.
And everyone. And Pop-Pop.
Yeah.
And sit down. And Great Nana.
Yeah.
And Great Pop-Pop.
Yeah.
Would you stop it? They can't see you when you do that. Nathan. Who's in a bad mood? Who's in a bad mood? Where are you going?
Bad mood.
Nate. Come over here where we can see you.
I'm not in bad mood.
That's good. Nate, what you got there?
Right there.
What is that?
It's orange.
Is it a hat? Did you see helicopters this morning?
Yeah.
Come on over here and say Merry Christmas. Hi.
Hi.
Who's so cute?
So cute.
So cute. You say Merry Christmas?
Christmas.
Say Merry
Merry
Christmas.
Christmas.
Yeah, Merry Christmas. Nate. Nate. What's over there? Where'd you go?
And I don't earn any Christmas hat.
Nope, no Christmas hat. Nathan! Nathan, come say hi! Nathan, come here, quick, 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 quick! Sugar, sugar, choo-choo! You a choo-choo?